In this video we begin exploring the connections between tables. We start with the select field. This is a field that refers to a value in another table. And this is a rather complicated topic for non-programmers, so we will discuss it for some time. And please try to do the same on your server or on the demo server. Otherwise, there's a chance you won't understand it. And this is one of the basic elements in Totum and programming in general, and you need to master it. We have this table here, it's blank for now, and there's another table where I have some values entered. Well, here we have orange, tangerine, passion fruit, mango, and potato. And I want to have a drop-down list of these items here. I'm going to add a field to the header, call it select, header, and choose select type. I will set the size to 300 right away. I will save it to show what happens. Immediately an error occurs, because for the select field to work, we need to write code that will select a value from another table. Here it is called select code. Here works the standard select row list for select function, which has several parameters. Not all of them are mandatory, as you can see. Table and field are mandatory. We need to specify the table from which we will select values for select, and specify the field that will be displayed in this list. A little further, I will explain what a display is. We select the title, and we can specify in what order those items should be sorted. Here too, we choose titles in ascending order. Everything else can be erased. This is what we erase, and save the code. The error is no more. And now when we open the code to edit, we will see this list. For example, we'll choose mango. Now let's look at what we have chosen. If we right-click in the box, we see that there is a mango display. But there's also this red number 4, which is the base of the select. What is the base of the select? It is the value that is stored in this field. That is, if we add another field next to it, let's say it will be value, leave it as a string and write code here that we want to take the value from the select field. Let's save it and see what happens here. We see that accessing the value of this field gives us a 4. That is, this field does not store a mango, but a number 4. This stored value is the value or base of the select. What we see is a display of the select. Now we will look at the original table and see what this means. Here it is, the mango. And here we see, the 4 is the id of this row in this table. So basically, when we write the select code and select a value, the id is selected from the table from which we take these displays. Now what happens if we change the title here? For example, we say it's very high quality mango. We haven't changed anything here yet. But with any recalculation, the select displays tables are recalculated. And when that happens, we will automatically see here that this is a very high quality mango, but its value inside is still 4. In this video I will tell you about another often used point. When we open the list, we see that we cannot clean this value. That is, we can choose another value, and its base is 1. Here it is shown that it is 1. But we cannot select an empty value. In order for this to be possible, you have to set a parameter called display for empty value. Here by default is a hyphen. And we can write, for example, select value, causing the user to select the value. And then we can return an empty value. You see, the value is now empty. If that's not there, then the user from the interface, from this list, can't put an empty value back. By default, the select allows you to select a single value. We have selected something and the corresponding value will be in this field. Create your own table, create a select field, and try to do the same thing as shown in this video. If you succeed, move on to the next one.